All new Jeep registered trademark Grand Cherokee L shipping to dealers. The 2021 Jeep registered trademark Grand Cherokee L is heading to dealers across the country today. The all-new version of the legendary full-size SUV, now equipped with 3 rows of seats, is built at Stellantis Detroit Assembly Complex Mack plant on 3 shifts by more than 4,900 UAW-represented employees. The state-of-the-art 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L is designed inside and out to deliver unmatched capability and composed driving dynamics. Its renowned 4x4 systems Quadra-Trac I, Quadra-Trac II and Quadra-Drive II, Quadra-Lift air suspension and Selec-Terrain traction management system instill Grand Cherokee L with a Jeep brand's legendary 4x4 capability. An all-new architecture and sculpted aerodynamic body style combine to improve vehicle performance, safety and reliability, while significantly reducing vehicle weight, noise, vibration and harshness. Designed to maximize overall passenger safety, comfort and convenience, Grand Cherokee L packs a powerful punch with next-generation features and technologies that make it a standout in the full-size SUV segment. The Jeep vehicle lineup consists of the Cherokee, Compass, Gladiator, Grand Cherokee, Renegade and Wrangler. To meet consumer demand around the world, all Jeep models sold outside North America are available in both left and right-hand drive configurations and with gasoline and diesel powertrain options. Jeep is part of the portfolio of brands offered by leading global automaker and mobility provider Stellantis. For more information regarding Stellantis NYSE, STLA.
Perfect proportions that are contained within Grand Cherokee, the size of it, garageability and all of that, adding wheelbase and adding a 3rd row to it. Of course, being a Jeep, it's going to have certain Jeep elements, including the 7-slot grille and the trapezoidal wheel arches. But also we think about other legendary Jeeps. And the Grand Cherokee has always held a few Grand Wagoneer elements in it. I think this new one has even more of that. Notably the stood-up, leaning forward, imposing grille to it, the way that the pillars are defined, and even some of the lamp details. The other element that we picked up from the Wagoneer was this idea of outward visibility being part of the luxury package. So we moved the belt line down, worked hard with the engineering group to make all the pillars a bit slimmer, and opened up the glass expanse. Lighting is key. The exterior lighting is all completely LED. On the door, there's also now a little sculptural American flag. The new vehicle is just as wide as the outgoing car, but the track is wider. So we've pushed the tires out even farther, and they're very flush with the sides of the car. It just, for us, it's been a goal, and it's a more tailored appearance to the vehicle. When we added the 3rd row, the goal was to get it not to be just, we squeezed a 3rd row in the back of the vehicle. It had to be a very comfortable 3rd row. I'm happy to say an adult comfortably fits in the 3rd row, and you could go for a long distance in the 3rd row. We have to work very tightly with engineering. It's a team effort. It's not just us doing our design work and throwing it over the wall and going to lunch. There's lots and lots of interaction back and forth. Yes, there are Easter eggs on this vehicle. They are Grand Cherokee appropriate, which is key, so they're not going to be obvious, but I'm still not going to tell you where they're at.